Morning everyone. Today I will tell about Scaris lumbricoids. Scaris lumbricoids also known as Scariasis disease. Scariasis disease is caused by the parasite roundworm Scaris lumbricoids. Infection have no symptoms in more than 85% of cases. Especially number of worms is small. Symptoms increase with the number of worms present and may including shortness of breath and fever in the beginning of the disease. Now come in the introduction. Scaris lumbricoides is the largest nematode parasites. Common name in the roundworm is caused by Scaris lumbricoids. Affected human small intestine in jejunum and the ileum. Epidemiological factor of the it is the most common of human elements and it is a distributed worldwide. A million, 1.2 billion people infected worldwide, most common in children 2 to 10 years old. And prevalence rate decrease over the age of 50 to 15 years, most common in warm, tropical and subtropical environments. In dry area where transmission is seasonal occurring predominantly during the rainy months. The infection is spread is a more common in a village and rural community. Now coming the morphology, adult worm. They are large cylindrical worms with tapering ends, the anterior and beginning more pointed than the posterior. Scaris lumbricoids, also known as a roundworm, parasite the human intestine. It as a parasite, getting nutrients from its host intestinal tract. Freshly excreted form is yellowish pink in color, which gradually change to white, resemble to earthworm. Elongated tapping at both ending, so sexual dimorphism male and smaller than the female. Male worm is a it posterior is a curved ventrally to the hooks copulatory spicules. This is a form the mid-distant sperm duct. Adult worm is little smaller than the female, measuring the 15 to 30 centimeter in the length and 2 to 4 in thickness. Then female is a posterior extremity is a straight and a conical form. A distinct group obtains in surrounding the worm at the level of bulbar punny. This is called as a bulbar waist. Genital girdle facilitating mating. Adult worm is smaller than the female worm. Length 15 to 30 centimeter in the length, 2 to 4 in thickness. It is a posterior and is a curved bently to form a hook and carries to two copulatory spicules. Female worm, the female is larger than the male, measuring 20 to 40 centimeter in the length and 3 to 6 in thickness. The posterior extremity is straight and a conical form. The vulva is situated mid-ventrally near the junction of the anterior and middle third of the body. This is called as a bulbar waist and genital girdle. Uh, the vulva leads single vagina which is branched into a pair genital tubules that lie convoluted through the posterior two-thirds of the body. A single worms lay up to 2 lakh eggs per day. The eggs are passed in the feces. Eggs of Scaris lumbricoids. Two types of eggs are passed by the worms, fertilized and unfertilized. The fertilized egg laid by females is stimulated by the mating with the male embryonated and develop into the infective egg. Unfertilized eggs are laid by unestimated female These are non-embryonated and cannot become easily infective. The stool samples show both fertilized and unfertilized eggs. Fertilized egg type of carries eggs found in the stool. Fertilized egg, unfertilized egg. Fertilized egg elliptical in shape, narrow and longer, 18 to 55 micrometer in size. Inner cell with the irregular coating of the albumin. Contains the small atrophied ovum, mass of disporized, highly refractile granules in the site. Does not float in the salt solution. Fertilized egg round and oval shape, size 60 to 75 micrometer. Always this is a wine stain, golden brown in color form, surrounded by the thick, smooth, translucent cell. Outer porously laminated, albuminous coat, thick, transparent middle layer, and inner lymphoidal bedline membrane. Sometimes some eggs are found in the feces without the outer membrated coat. They are called the decorticated eggs. Fruits in the saturated solution of the common salt. Now coming to the life cycles. Life cycles only one host, natural host, man, and no intermediate host. Infective form, impregnated egg, retiform larva. Mode of transmission, fecal-oral route by contaminated vegetables and water. Adult is carried live in the small intestine. Development in the swell. Fertilized egg passed in feces is not immediately infective. Eggs are deposited in the lumen, passed in feces, must immunized for 3 weeks in the swell before becoming infection. Resistance to adverse conditions and survival for several years. Heavy clay swell and most sandy location with temperature between 20 to 30 degrees centigrade optimal for rapid development of the embryo. This is a the development usually takes from 10 to 14 days, during which time the embryo molds, twists, and become infective form, rabiform larva. Adult scarets live in the small intestine. Female produce 2 lakh eggs per day. Eggs are deposited in the lumen, passed in the feces, and must embryonated for 3 weeks in the swell before becoming infections. Yeah. Ingestion of the infective egg by another human from contaminated swell result in infection. After ingestion, the hatchet larva penetrate intestinal mucosa and invade portal venules. They are carried to the liver and travel by the hepatic vein to the right heart and into the lungs. Larvae enlarge and rupture into alveoli and cupped up and subsequently swelled. Reaching the small bowel, they mature, mat and deposit eggs. If the infection is untreated, adult sperm can live for 12 to 18 months, resulting in the daily expression of large number of ova. The incubation period is prolonged. The interval between ingestion of the egg and develop egg-laying adults approximately 8 weeks. Development in the male swallowed egg reach the duodenum larva hatch out. Rabiform larvae about 20 250 micrometer in length and 14 micrometer in diameter are actively motile. Penetrate the intestinal mucosa, enter the portal veins and terrate to liver. Fossil by hepatic vein and inferior vena cava evolved to this is the lungs where grow and mouth twisting. Larvae mount finely and develop into adult in the upper part of the small intestine. Sexually mature 6 to 12 weeks. Gravid females start the repeat cycles. Lifespan of the Scarus requires 12 to 20 months. Now coming the pathogenicity and the clinical features. Infection of Scaris lumbricoides is known as a scariasis, caused by the migrating larva or adult moth. Most infections are asymptomatic, although non-specific gastrointestinal tract symptoms may occur in the some patients. Symptoms due to migrating larva, hypersensitivity, cough, fever, dyspnea, and eosinophilia. Charcoal leaden crystal, also known as Lobler's syndrome, that associate with fever, cough, and wheezing, hypersensitivity, marked eosinophilia, and allergic reaction. Most infections are asymptomatic, although non-specific gastrointestinal tract symptoms may occur in some patients. Loss of and are often listless. Vitamin A deficiency, protein energy malnutrition, abnormality of the general mucosa are often present, including and shortening of the villi, elongation of cryptus, and round cell infiltration of lamina propria. Intestinal of intestinal obstruction, heavy bone fluid can lead may develop in the patient with heavy infection. Children are more prone to this complication because of the smaller diameters of the intestinal lumen and a heavy bone burden. Two obstruction of appendix scarce lumbricoids has been found in the appendical lumen in patient with acute appendicitis, but its causal relationship is uncertain. Landform can be stimulated to migrate by stressful conditions, fever, illness, anesthesia, anastomotic tracts. Uh, One migration can cause peritonitis secondary to intestinal wall penetration. Common bile duct obstruction resulting in acute obstructive jaundice, dyspnea, vomiting. A release of toxin lead to allergic manifestation. The toxin effect due to hypersensitivity to the worm's antigens and may be manifested as fever, urticaria, angioneurotic edema, wheezing, and conjunctivitis disease. This is a tab insert into the food and gastrointestinal obstruction, intestinal. The last are appetite, gastrointestinal tract infection, asymptomatic infection generally seen in mildly infected cases, non-unusual find children. The intestinal obstruction. Now come in the diagnosis. Doctors generally make the diagnosis by examination a stool sample for parasites. If diagnosed with scariasis, may need more tests such as X-ray, CT scan, ultrasound, MRI scan, endoscopy, serological test. Scaris antibodies can be detected IHA indirect hemagglutinin test, indirect fluorescent antibodies, enzyme linked immunosorbent AC. Then serodiagnosis helpful extraintestinal scariasis like Doppler syndrome. That is a diagnostic test stabilized eggs are elliptical in shape. This is a form intestinal form, the colicky form, the scaris requires an uh, ultrasound figures in the stage. These scaris form the intestinal form. Eggs are elliptical in shape, measure 32 by 50 pm and have a rough web illuminated over their cell. Adult form may be detected in stool of the patient by naked eye. X-ray of the GIT may demonstrated the adult worm in the intestine. Larvae formed during the early pulmonary migrating phase. Larvae can be found in sputum and gastric spirates before the eggs appear in the stool. Uh, Eggs, both fertilized and unfertilized eggs, can be detected by stool, stool examination. Eggs may be demonstrated in the while obtained by the duodenal spiral. The adult sperm can occasionally be detected in stool and sputum of patients by naked eye. Barium meal may reveal the presence of adult sperm in the small intestine. The eggs of Ascaris lumbricoides. Ascariasis is made by demonstration of eggs in feces. Rarely, when the infestation is light, eggs are demonstrable only by concentration method. Larva in the early stage of the infection, when migrating larva causes Loeffler syndrome. The diagnosis may be made by demonstrating the larva in sputum or in a gastric coursing. Adult form the larva can occasionally can be seen by naked eye. Barium meals. Several safe and effective drugs are now available for treatment of sclerosis. These include mebendazole, albendazole, piperazine citrate. So ivermectin 150 to 100 milligram per kg for 3 days. Albendazole 400 milligram OD. Mebendazole 100 gram BD for 3 days. Complete obstruction requires immediately surgical interventions. Prevention. Wash your hand with soap and water before handling food. Wash your hands with soap and water after touching or handling pigs, cleaning pigs, pens, and handling pig manure. Teach children the importance of washing hands to prevent infection. Supervise children so that they do not put unwashed hands in their mouths. Wash, peel, or cook all raw vegetables and fruits before eating. Optimal sanitization.